Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I baked a pancake. I just eyed the, the pancake mix and watered, and it came out not too shabby, but looks like that on the top side. But all in all, it's pretty good. Fluffy and delicious. But just remember, if you're microwaving butter, to keep an eye on it. Very little to microwave it, or else it will explode all over the fucking microwave. And I shit you not, it's scary. But I totally recommend getting a square cake pan. Use the directions and then just bake it. Put the oven on at 370 and then keep an eye on it. I put it in for, let me think here, 15 minutes, maybe a little more. I just made sure I just saw the crust golden brown, and then I just took it out. That's how I did that. And then I put some butter on it, and it tastes pretty damn good, I must say. I totally recommend trying this. All right, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.